Guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. As you can tell from the title, I have my April Birchbox. It's not April, Maria. It's May. May 2019 Birchbox. I'm sorry, I'm on vacation. I think my brain's left the building probably a long time ago. My husband is right behind me. He's working on his model car building. We went shopping today and he got him some stuff and I got me some stuff. Matter of fact, after I get done with this video, I'm going to film that haul. It'll be from Ulta, Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby. So I'm just... Anyway. This is the May Birchbox. In case you're wondering what Birchbox is, it's a monthly subscription box. The prices did go up recently, so I'll be sure to post a link. Just go to birchbox.com. I don't know how much they're charging me. This box was free because there was an issue, so they comped me on this one. But yeah, tomorrow's video, by the way, is going to be my husband unbags my Ipsy. Yeah, can't wait for that. It's going to be awesome. So anyway, here you go. Stay tuned for that, and I will get these two videos up here. Now, I know that the theme for this month is that they have the products, they're female founded. There's a little card that I don't care about. It's Female Founder Collective Birchbox. And there's what that is. That's a cool painting. I like this box. And on the inside of it says, together we are unstoppable. And this tells you the products. I know a lot of people don't like these, but I do because I like to see what they're about in cases I can't pronounce it. So, okay, the first thing we got is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with glacial lysoprotein. This, okay, it says on here, the Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer is rich without being greasy and sinks in without leaving behind any residue. This retails a full size for $30. Then we got, I got the Beans it says OL, all-in-one milk. It's a shampoo. I think. No, it's a multi-benefit treatment. I'm sorry. Okay, full size of this is $34. This nourishing leave-in treatment detangles while adding volume, shine, and heat protection. So that's cool. I don't mind getting a few hair and skincare. Just don't want it to be all the time. They also put in the conditioner I was telling you about in the packet. I think there's another one in here. Oh. Okay, and this one retails, okay. The conditioner, it says this conditioner is packed with natural active ingredients like raku oil and protects hair from UV rays and heat damage, apricot butter, which adds softness. Okay, this is the bonus, and then the shampoo is the bonus. Oh, there's shampoo. Okay, so these two are bonuses, so that's cool. Okay, and then the shampoo, it says you'll love the hydrating paraben and sulfate-free shampoo that's great for all hair types. It boosts volume and shine and improves texture and hair, protects hair from UV rays. I usually don't mind. As long as I get 2 uses out of these, I'm fine. This will be 1 use because I got long hair. That's okay. Okay, and I've gotten this before. I don't know if I still have it. No, I think I used it. It's the Lumiere Super Comb Prep and Protect right here. Where did it go? I'm looking for it. It's the heat protectant. Okay, it's number 4 is the company. Shield your strands with heat damage and UV rays with this leave-in conditioning mist made with natural hydrators with black currant and soy yogurt. Spritz on the hair then comb. I think I tried this before and I liked it, so that's good to have another one. Okay, they also put Ipkin Radiant Cream Primer SPF 15. This SPF infused primer is made for good for you extracts and pearl powder to create an even luminous canvas for makeup applications. So that's really cool. I can't wait to try that. They also sent Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. Get a PC and done texture. Is lightweight lotion that leaves a matte finish. Apply to damp hair. Let air dry for nourish beachy waves, not salty drying. I'm gonna give this to someone because I don't like to air dry my hair no more, because half the time when I do that I get sick because of this damp hair. The last thing, I saw this in some people's videos and I was like, wow, that's small. What is it? Just Kiss Lip Balm and Lip and Cheek Stain Forever Pink. Full size is $28. It's multitasking, long-lasting colors. Just your skin types and cheeks for natural customized shade. Is from Jane Iredale. That's female founded. Okay, this retails, the full size retails for $28. This retails for $32. This retails for $34. Oribe is $42. Goodness, that's some expensive stuff. The face primer, $28. Facial cream, I'm tired, y'all, $30. And then these two, the shampoo conditioners, retail for $31 for the shampoo, $38 for the conditioner, which is crazy. So that is all I got in my, oh, let me show you the cheek stain. I was surprised by this. It's a little bitty. I don't think I'd use it for a cheek stain. Lip stain, yes. Okay. I've seen people just put it on there. It's okay. I mean, nothing to get excited about. Look at that whirl. It's cute though. It's a little bitty sample. And I forgot to mention, everybody was grabbing, I think a lot of people didn't like the sticker. But anyway, that's all I got my Birchbox for this month. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for those videos I told you about. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching.